Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDAct MCQs to sharpen your biology skills. Let's get started. The first MCQ is which type of bone is the vertebrae classified as A. Long bone, B. Short bone, C. Flat bone, and D. Irregular bone. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which type of muscle fiber is characterized by a high capacity of anaerobic metabolism? A. Type 1, B. Type 2A, and C. Type 2B, and D. Type 3. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which bone forms the lower A. Maxilla, B. Mandible, C. Zygomatic, and D. Palatine. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which type of joint allows for the greatest range of motion? A. Hand joint, B. Pivot joint, C. Ball and socket joint, and D. Saddle joint. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which structure attach muscles to bones? A. Ligament, B. Tendon, C. Cartilage, and D. Fascia. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which type of cartilage is found and the external ear? A. Hyaline cartilage, B. Elastic cartilage, C. Fibrocartilage, and D. Articular cartilage. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which muscle is responsible for the flexion of the forearm? A. Biceps brachii, C. Triceps brachii, D. Brachialis, and D. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which condition is characterized by the inflammation of the fluid cells that it causes joint? A. Arthritis, tendonitis, myositis, and D. Bursitis. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which bone is part of the ventricular skeleton? A. Sternum, B. Sacrum, D. Clavicle, and D. Vertebrae. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which type of joint is found in the elbow? A. Hip joint, B. Ball and socket joint, C. Pivot joint, D. Saddle joint. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which cell group is located at the front of the thigh? A. Quadriceps, B. Hamstring, C. Gluteus, and D. Pelvis. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which bone is commonly known as the shoulder blade? A. Clavicle, B. Scapula, D. Sternum, and C. Humerus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which factor in the skeletal system serves as a site for blood cell production? A. Yellow marrow, B. Red marrow, C. Periosteum, and D. Endosteum. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which type of muscle is found only in the heart? A. Skeletal muscle, B. Cardiac muscle, C. Smooth muscle, D. Striated muscle. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these indicative skills help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep safe and stay tuned for more videos, more practice questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.